Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is having an excellent Friday. I'm back with another video breakdown of my daily Python practice. Today I will be doing Data and Motions Week 23 coding question. I will go ahead and leave that link down in the description in case you guys want to check out some of their excellent coding challenges there. But let's go ahead and get started. So instruction is given a person variable. We're going to create a dictionary called answer that makes each first item in each list a key and the second item a corresponding value. This is the end goal, which is that dictionary that has the first element of each list as the key and the second element of each list the value. Okay, and I have the skeleton declared already. I have my solution function, which takes the parameter of the person list that they provided. And then I have the main here that will pass that variable and return the value of our solution function. So first things first, we want to return that dictionary called answer. So let's go ahead and add that return here at the bottom. And then we have to create the actual dictionary at the top. So let's declare the dictionary as an empty dictionary because we haven't given it any sort of values yet. Okay. So if you pay attention to the person's list that they provided, you notice that it's lists within that list. So what we want to do is we want to go through the list and grab each individual list and the values there, and that's how we will populate our dictionary answer. So let's go ahead and start a for loop. So we'll say for each list in person list. And what we said we want to do, we want to set the key as the first element. So we'll say answer, and then we're going to provide, not them brackets, and then we're going to provide the first element, which is in the each list. So we'll say each list, and the first element in the list is always at index 0. So we'll pass in 0. And that's giving it the first element as the key, and then to give it the value, we're going to assign the value to the second element, which will be index 0. So again, we'll do each list and pass it index 1. All right, so let's go ahead and run this and see what we get in return. This should be the solution, quite simple. And let's see what happens. Yep, and there you have it. Not a really complicated question, but let me know how you went about solving it, and let me know if you have any tips for me. And everyone have a great weekend. Bye bye.